Hello again and welcome to Think Ning, and for today's episode we will be unpacking another parcels from Shopee. Let's begin.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my
Alright, so before we start, diba I mentioned before that I'm expecting several parcels from Shopee because I've ordered ubay-ubay sa mga items due to the holiday season. So majority of which is mga wish list sa office mates para sa amuang Christmas party this month. And so what I'm gonna be unpacking today is this parcel. So I have another one. It's gonna be a bigger one. So we'll be unpacking this in another episode. But for now, we'll have this. So I got my scissors ready. So I'll be opening this. Okay, so expect na lang mo na anak ko another unpacking video next time because daghan lang dito order this month or yeah. Alright, so mo ni siya ang sulod. So naka-pack yung tarong, naka-box and then sealed with a packing tape. So we'll also open. Okay. This is safe and secured. First item is ang wireless Bluetooth headset. So medyo na-crush yung packaging but it's fine. What is important is ang quality. So later I will test this. So wireless siya and then I think muna yung charger. And the other item is it's a Romos power bank, 20,000 milliamperes. So it's tightly sealed, and I'll be giving this to one of my workmates kay mo niyang wish list. So by the time nga you are seeing this, so nahatag na rin ako siya sa ako ang nabunutan. So I have tested the quality sa headset and medyo kuan siya basag og tingog. Naipagkalatag gamay when I use Spotify, but since I'm more on listening to YouTube videos, okay ra sad siya. Something that I can live with kay especially kung magsakay ko or mag-commute ko sa jeep. So it's something mas safe ako ang gadget akong cellphone if I put it inside my bag and then just use the Bluetooth na headset. So I think that this one works for me for the meantime because medyo obvious kaayo nga asa nakakonect imuhang earphone kung wired siya directly connected sa imong phone. So if I'm giving this 1 to 5, I'm gonna rate it 3.5, I guess. Because dili gyud siya outstanding ang quality sa audio. So but it is something okay. All right. So ako sang gi-open ang power bank and mo siya ang sulod. Siya actual power bank and of course iyahang charger. So ako ning i-test if mo charge ba gyud siya sa akong cellphone. Alright, since I'm using my cell phone to film this video today, dili na ko mapakita kung nigana ba gyud siya, but based on my test earlier, it naka-charge gyud siya sa cellphone. Nisaka ang percentage sa akong battery. So I guess this one is worth the money that I spent for this power bank. So again, this is 20,000 milliamperes ang battery. So medyo bugat siya, but I guess pwede siya maka-charge og 5 to 6 times 100% battery life sa imong cellphone. And so that's it for today's episode. Again, napatay lain nga parcel nga abrihan. So watch for the unpacking of that order from Shopee. And thank you for tuning in today. Goodbye.